Everyone, my name is Bhavish Lohar and I welcome you on my YouTube channel Quest Achiever. So again we are back in the same topic, number system. Okay, so let's start with this a new topic like on in number system, that is divisibility test of a number. Okay, so I'm taking any number, suppose this is my number. Okay, let n is equals to this is my number. So if this number is divisible by 5 or not, so what we do basically in layman language we can say basically anyone is there, like what he will do or he or she will do basically what directly it will divide by 5. Okay, so I'm saying that this number is divisible by or 5 or not. So by looking at it, looking on the number, you can directly say that this is the number which is divisible by 5 or not. So what we are studying in this case basically in this topic is basically by checking the unit digit, or by checking the last digits of a given number, you can directly say that this number is divisible by that from the given number or not. Okay, let's see with some example also. So this is divisible by 5 or not. See, 5 ones are you can all do it. Okay, but by looking at it, that this unit digit place is having a 5, this 5. So any number which is having a last digit 0 or 5, okay, that is always divisible by 5. Okay, like suppose I can take 550 also, so you can do it, right? डिविजिबल बाय है कि नहीं डायरेक्टली पता चल रहा है by looking unit digit, that is 0. Okay, so for 5 you just need to check 0 or 5 at unit place of a given number. What you need to check, whenever in a question basically a number is given, any big number is given. Okay, suppose I am taking example 5 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, like last digit is 5, so it always be divisible by 5. हमको क्या चेक करना है, सिर्फ 5, बाकी आगे से कितना भी बड़ा नंबर हो. ओके, क्लियर? सो दिस whole number, n minus 1 number, because one number is this, right? So this is anything. What we need to check, we are focusing on unit digit, that is 5. So this number is divisible by 5. Okay, even 0 होता तो directly बोल सकते थे. Clear? So this is the basically first what we did, basically this concepts is for 5. Okay, now we will check for the other number. 0, any number, suppose any number, this is the number. Okay, divide by 0 is not defined. Okay, not defined. Similarly for 1, this is the number. Okay, any number you can take it, 3 digit, 2 digit, 1 digit, always defined, clear? This I think all know, right? This is really important. From 0 to 9 हमको पता होना चाहिए. Okay, in number system we have basically number from 0 to 9, right? ये हमको पता है 0 to 9 digits होते हैं, तो we need to check all divisibility, मतलब सबका एक मुझे चेक करना पड़ेगा. like we did 0 1 5, now 2 3 4 till 9 is left. Okay, so now we are focusing on the main thing, that is the question भी बहुत बार पूछा जाता है, that is 3. Okay, so testing for this number, divisibility test for this number, divisibility test. Suppose any number I am taking any randomly number you can take, suppose 523. Okay, so is this number divisible by 3? Let's check. Normally हम लोग बचपन से ही सीखते आ रहे, right? 3 किया, 5 2 3, so 3 1s are, यही करते हैं, 7s are 21, 13, and last 3 4s are 12. दिस इज़ द रिमाइंडर, राइट सर? ये तो डिविजिबल बाय नहीं है. ओके, तो व्हाट वी डिड बेसिकली, वी डिड सम कैलकुलेशन डिविजन मेथड, जो हम लोग ने बचपन से हमारे दिमाग में था वो हम करते थे, राइट? नाउ व्हाट वी डू हियर बेसिकली, व्हाट 3 डिजिट नंबर आता है. सो फॉर 3 हमेशा याद रखना, वी आर चेकिंग फॉर द डिविजिबिलिटी टेस्ट फॉर नंबर 3. So this is the number, 3 digit number. You just need to add, 5 plus 2 plus 3, that is 10. 10 is the sum, this is the sum. Okay, is this sum divisible by 3 or not? नहीं होता है, so it is not divisible by. Okay, so this is not divisible because the sum, this sum, that is s, I am writing s, so s not divided by 3, that is 10, is not divisible by, not divisible. Clear? Let's take another example. Okay, we'll take another example based on 3, like 81. So what our concept says, you need to add any digits, like this is to 2 digit, so you need to add 2 digit, like for 8 plus 1, that is 9. 9 divided by 3 is 3. Yes, it is divisible by 3. 3s are 9. So this number is definitely divisible by 3. So जो भी नंबर दिया रहेगा उसको सिर्फ ऐड करना है and check the sum, that is this divisible by this or not. Is this? Yes, then confirm. Again, let one gate question will take, okay, that appear in the gate exam also. So I'm taking a question, okay, 715. This is the question mark 423. Okay, what they ask, that this number is divisible by this number. The question says that this number, given number, is divisible by basically 3. So you need to find that question mark. ये जो है ना, मैंने x ले लिया, चलो, okay, that you need to find. So the question, they already says that basically the given number is divisible by 3. So what our concept says, that what you will do, what I taught you, this, you just need to add all these number, okay, and you will get the sum, what you will get? Sum. So 7 plus 1 8, 8 plus 5 13, 13 plus 4 17, 17 plus 2 19, 19 plus 3 is 22, and the remaining is x. So this is our sum, which is, okay, you got it, and this is basically divisible by 3. So this is divisible by 3, obviously this sum is divisible by 3. So और हम लोग sum by 3 करते, right? So what you need to add, यहाँ पे मैं क्या ऐड करूँ, तो जाके मुझे बेसिकली you will get a basic that number that is divisible by 3. So the question asks that only, basically आप क्या x को choose करोगे, that you will get the number which is divisible by 3. So see, in normally we have a number 0 to 9. We have to write here only a integer number. इस जगह पे integer number ही आने वाला है, कोई decimal number नहीं आएगा. Obviously एक number है, so that is the integer number from 0 to 9. Clear? So suppose मैं put करता हूँ x का value 0, तो यहाँ पे मैं करूँ, एक बार जगह दी नहीं, यहाँ पे कर लेता हूँ, ठीक है? So first case, let x is equals to 0. So sum क्या होगा? This is 22 plus 0 divide by 3, यहाँ पे भी था 20. Is this divisible by? नहीं. Next case, x is equals to 1, s by 3, मतलब 22 plus 1 23 by 3, नहीं, ये भी नहीं. Next, (22 by 2) 24 by 3. Yes, this is the number you need. Yes, it is divisible by 3. So basically this x is 2. Okay. हाँ, here the question arises that basically सर आगे और हम करेंगे तो basically उसमें divisible by आया तो. So here you need, in the question basically they mentioned that you need to find the least number. Okay, least. ऐसा तो आगे और भी हो सकता है, चेक कर सकते हैं, राइट. सपोज आई थिंक दिस इज क्लियर, राइट. मैं यहाँ पे एक और एग्जाम्पल ले लेता हूँ. यो ओके, सो हियर विल टेक बेसिकली वन मोर एग्जाम्पल. लाइक सपोज x is equals to 3, x is equals to 3 is there, right? So x is equals to 3, that is by 3, that is 22 plus 3, 22 plus 3 is 25, not divisible by, ठीक है, not divisible by. x is equals to 4, that is by 3, so कितना आएगा, 22 plus 4 26, not divisible by, so 5, as by 3, as by 3, so 22 plus 5 27. Yes, this is also divisible by 9, correct. So here also you get 5, but in question they already mentioned that you need to find the least number of x or lowest value of x you need to find out. So they already mentioned in the question. और ज़रूरी नहीं 5 is also the answer, but in the question they already mentioned that you need to find that number which is lowest, okay, or least number you need to find. So our answer basically that is 5. That is what is the clear, 2 आ जाएगा. This is the test for basically 3. Understood? Same concept follow for the 9 also. Same concept follow for the 9 also. So what you need to do, sum of all digit divided by that number. Okay. Here also you need to find the sum of the digits. Okay. Suppose we will take example of 729. 729, is this number divisible by 9 or not? So what you need to do, you need to find sum. 7 plus 2, this is 9 plus 9 18. So what you need to do, divide by this. Sum को divide करेंगे 9 से 9. Same. So 3 and 9 follow the same concepts. Here you need to find basically sum, like sum of the digits of the given number. Like given number हमारा यहाँ पे 7 to 9 था, तो 7 plus 2 plus 9, that will provide you basically the sum. Okay, then divide this sum basically from the whatever they ask, whatever they given question. Basically like 3 or 9 का पूछा, तो divide by 3 करो, divide by 9 करो, and you will basically get this. If this divisible sum is divisible by 9, yes, the confirmed divisibility test. Okay, not, then go for further and same on. Okay, so I think this is clear. I think इसके लिए मुझे और एग्जाम्पल लेने की ज़रूरत नहीं. So we'll continue our next divisibility test of a number in next class. Till then, thank you so much.